2018 Jeep Wrangler review. It might look like the outgoing model, though the new 2018 Jeep Wrangler is more preferable in every way. Redesigned for 2018, the Jeep Wrangler is a lot more than just a dominating force off-road. Updated with refreshed styling, new engines, and also a roomier and higher quality interior, the 2010 Wrangler is really a more practical SUV which could still go anywhere. Jeepers should realize that two Wrangler models are stored on sale for 2018. Jeep is selling this new generation Wrangler alongside the previous Wrangler. The new one could possibly be referred to as the JL, while the existing Wrangler will be the JK. These acronyms refer to Jeep's model designations due to its Wranglers. If paying for 2018 Wranglers, you will want to make sure you're mindful of the difference. The new Wrangler is currently longer, wider and taller. It has the earlier 3.6-litre V6 underneath the hood. Nonetheless, it can now be mated to an optional 8-speed automatic transmission that vastly adds to the Wrangler's drivability. A 6-speed manual remains to be standard. A new turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine is along the way later this current year, and yes, it adds more appeal to this mixture. A big start comfort, digging in several modern security features, and much more interior space increase the risk for 2018 Jeep Wrangler, a life-threatening competitor inside mid-size SUV class. Of course, still has unrivaled off-road prowess and aftermarket parts support, too. Overall, we're impressed together with the new Wrangler. You can also watch a far more in-depth look concerning this in our Wrangler First Drive. What's new? The Jeep Wrangler seemingly redesigned for 2018. Note that this review covers the revolutionary Wrangler. The previous generation model, the Wrangler JK, is protected separately. If you are looking for maximum out-of-box off-road capability, the Wrangler Rubicon is really a no-brainer. But the base sport trim can be very capable and extremely appealing, more so this season than ever before, and that is the one we'd recommend to a lot of buyers. The optional turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine isn't at the Wrangler's debut, nevertheless it's usually the one to get if you possibly could wait. The additional torque and expected boost in fuel economy will more than likely make it well worth the extra cost. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Jeep Wrangler can be found in a pair of body styles, the 2-door and 4-door Unlimited. The 2-door can be found in Sport, Sport S and Rubicon trims, even though the 4-door can be found in Sport, Sport S, Sahara and Rubicon trims. Both are provided with a soft-top convertible or possibly a hard-top. The Sport trim level, while somewhat basic, has a lot more equipment than previous Wranglers. Standard equipment includes the 3.6-litre V6 285 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque paired to your 6-speed manual transmission, and 8-speed automatic is optional, 17-inch steel wheels, a full-size flabby gut, skid plates and tow hooks. It also offers fog lights, keyless entry, removable full metal doors with crank windows, a fold-down windshield, manual mirrors and locks, cruise control, air cooling optional around the 2-door Sport, a height-adjustable driver's seat with tower lumbar adjustment, cloth upholstery, a tilt and telescoping tire, plus a one-piece folding rear seat. Also included around the Sport undoubtedly are a 5-inch Uconnect touchscreen display, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, an 8-speaker speakers with a CD player, a USB port along with an auxiliary audio jack. Besides its 2 extra doors, the Unlimited version even offers a bigger gas tank, air cooling, plus a 6040 split folding rear seat. On the top of the base Sport equipment, the Sport S adds 17-inch alloy wheels, air cooling, automatic headlights, keyless entry, heated power mirrors, power windows and locks, a security alarm, a leather-wrapped tire, and sun visors with vanity mirrors. The mid-level Sahara is merely available from the forward door configuration and increases the Sport S with 18-inch alloy wheels, painted exterior body panels and trim, automatic LED headlights, LED fog lights, automatic climate control as well as a 115-volt outlet. It also comes using a bigger driver information display, an extra USB port, plus an upgraded version of Uconnect which has a 7-inch touch screen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone integration, and satellite radio. The most off-road competent at the Wranglers will be the Rubicon. It has the basic sport equipment plus 17-inch alloy wheels, special off-road tires, a heavy-duty Dana M210 front axle plus a M220 rear axle, shorter 4.10 axle gearing. The Sport and Sahara came which has a 3.45 ratio, 4.0 to 1 low-range gearing, electronic front and back locking differentials, an electronically disconnecting front roll bar, rock rails along with an additional USB port. Much from the upper-level equipment can be found in groups or as standalone choices for lower trim levels. Other options include remote start, heated seats, a heated tire, leather upholstery, an 8.4-inch Uconnect system with navigation, blind spot monitoring, and also a 9-speaker Alpine audio system. All trims are also provided with a higher quality soft top and also a black or even a body-colored hard top. Jeep says it is going to offer a turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine using a mild hybrid torque system just as one option from the Wrangler later from the model year. EH3.0-litre diesel engine is about the horizon for 2019. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically also comes in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S within this review use our first drive with the 2018 Jeep Wrangler 3.6 litres V6, 8-speed automatic, 4WD. Driving. Everything concerning the 2018 Wrangler is improved upon. It's both more capable and objectively easier to drive within the road. The Wrangler is really a bit bigger and heavier, but it really is challenging to notice from driving. The overall experience is exponentially better. Comfort. More comfortable seats, a smoother ride quality, and also a keen give attention to usability increase the risk for new Wrangler a considerably more practical SUV PC ever was. There's now a real case for getting one to be a daily driver, without nearly as much compromise mainly because it once required. Interior. The new Wrangler boasts out switchgear, higher quality materials, improved outward visibility, and even more room for passengers. It's just plain wonderful. You'll also that way it's easier to obtain in and out thanks to adding interior grab handles. Utility. As you should expect at a slightly bigger Wrangler, there's more utility with this particular new model. More legroom for passengers plus more space to your stuff are welcome additions that make Wrangler more palatable for a larger buying audience. Technology. The new Wrangler has added almost all in the tech equipment it was missing. A rear view camera, available blind spot monitoring, available Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and also optional parking sensors have elected the list.